poème s'appelle For My People. For my people everywhere, singing their slave songs repeatedly, their boogies and their ditties and their blues and their jabblies, praying their prayers nightly to unknown God, bending their knees humbly punching power. For my people lending their strength to the years, to the gone years, and the now years and the maybe years. Watching, ironing, cooking, scrubbing, sewing, mending, hoeing, plowing, digging, planting, pruning, patching, drudging along, never gaining, never reaping, never knowing, and never understanding. For my playmates in clay and sand and dusts of Alabama, backyards playing, baptizing and preaching, and doctor and jail, and soldier and school, and mama and cooking, and playhouse and concert and store, and hair and Miss Chambry and company. For the cramped years we went to school to learn to know the reasons why, and the answers to, and the people who, and the places where, and the days when, in memory of the bitter hours when we discovered we were black, and small, and different, and nobody cared, and nobody understood, and nobody wondered. For the boys and the girls who grew in spite of these things, to be man and woman, to laugh and dance and sing and play and drink their wine and religion and success, to marry their playmates and be children, and then die of consumption and anemia and lynching. For my people struggling 47th Street in Chicago and Lenox Avenue in New York and Rampart Street in New Orleans, lost, disinherited, dispossessed, and happy people feeling the cupboard in taverns and other people's pockets and needing bread and shoes and milk and land and money and something all our own. For my people walking blindly, spreading joy, losing time, being lazy, sleeping when hungry, shouting when burdened, drinking when hopeless, tied and shackled and tangled among ourselves by the unseen creatures who tower over us omnisciently and laugh. For my people blundering and groping and floundering in dark of churches and schools and clubs and societies, associations and schools and committees and conventions, distressed and disturbed and deceived and devoured by money-hungry, glory-craving glitches, preyed on first force of state and fad and novelty by false prophet and holy believer. For my people standing, staring, trying to fashion a better way from confusion, from hypocrisy and misunderstanding, trying to fashion a world that will hold all the people, all the faces, all the Adams and Eves and their countless generations. Let a new earth rise. Let another world be born. Let a bloody peace be written in the sky. Let a second generation, full of courage, use force. Let a people loving freedom come to grasp. Let a beautiful, full of healing, be the pulsing, and the strength of final clenching be the pulsing in our spirits and our blood. Let the martial songs be written. Let the dirges disappear. Let the race of men now rise and take control. 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 Thank you.
Thank you.
C'est l'improvisation, c'est pas travailler.